There's a lot of question words in German. Wessen is an important one. So let's dive into that question word today. 3 things to know about this question word. 1, what does it mean? So in English it means whose. So then our second thing is because it asks whose, we're talking about possession. And so then thirdly, if we're talking about possession, that's the genitive case. So showing possession or ownership for the genitive case in German. So um, whose car is that? Whose shirt is that? Whose job is that? So whose always precedes a noun. Let's look at that in some examples. So whose book is that? Ways that can be answered. Das ist Frau Braun's Buch. So remember showing possession with an S, no apostrophe in German. Das ist das Buch meiner Tante. And once again, looking at genitive, we're utilizing genitive. That is the book of my aunt. This is genitive right here, of my aunt. Can be utilized for plurals as well. Wessen Kulis sind das? Whose pens are those? You could say, Sie sind Hans's Kulis. They are Hans's pens. Notice since Hans ends in an S, you do have to put an apostrophe to show possession. Or das sind Hans's Kulis. Or Sie sind die Kulis des Junges. So you can use genitive here. They are the pens of the boys. You could also say, Sie sind die Kulis meines Mannes. They are the pens of my man or my husband. So whose is always showing possession. So when you answer that question, you're going to utilize possession or genitive case as well. So try your hand at these 5. These are the subjects of the sentence, and I would like for you to write 5 sentences that show that these people possess certain items. And I'm going to show you just the pictures of them. So Nummer 1, Heidi. Nummer 2, Herr Hermann. This is what for Nummer 1 und Nummer 2. Nummer 3, Hans und Franz. Notice that's 3, so that's plural. Nummer 4, meine Freunde. Ooh, 3, so use the plural for this. In English, chocolate chip cookies, you can just use one of the German words for cookies. And Nummer 5, deine Eltern. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write those, write questions asking. So whose blank is that? And then that is Heidi's blank. So use those objects. Write the question using whose, and then write the answer to that question utilizing genitive or possession. Viel Glück, viel Spaß.